Hello guys, welcome back. In the last virtual class, we have gone through the automatic machines, and being as mechanical engineer, we are really concerned with automatic lathes, and we have seen the basic concepts behind the automatic lathes. That means here complete working cycle is fully automatic, and processes like feeding of raw material, movement of cutting tool for respective operations, and unloading of finished part, all these are done automatically without any intervention of human. And we have seen that these lathes can be classified in number of ways, like depending on purpose of lathes, these may be of general purpose automatic lathes or single purpose automatic lathes. Depending on arrangement of spindle, these may be of horizontal type or vertical type, and depending on the raw material that is used, these may be of bar type automatic lathes or chucking type automatic lathes. And last way of classification is the number of spindle. The basis of number of spindle, these may be of single spindle automatic lathes or multi spindle automatic lathes. Today in this virtual class, we are going to study the single spindle automatic lathes. That means we are focusing on the automatic lathes that are having one spindle only. This spindle may be horizontal or vertical. Generally, the spindle of these lathes is horizontal. Here you can see the photo of single spindle automatic lathes that is of Swiss type. Single spindle automatic lathes are development of Capstan lathe or turret lathe. In this picture you can see the automation is of fixed type. That means here we are using control system of mechanical type. Here this is the spindle and this is tool bracket. That means this is the tool holder, this is the tool holder. The movement of this is done by using levers that are connected to cam that is mounted on cam shaft. Here the various motions of cutting tool as well as raw material can be controlled by using these cams. As this single spindle automatic lathe is of Swiss type, here the headstock is movable type. In some of single spindle automatic lathe, here there is a square turret like we have seen in Capstan lathe or turret lathe. Automatic lathes are mainly geared lathe. That means the speed variation can be done by using the gear trains. And in the bar type automatic lathes, collet chucks are used for easily clamping and unclamping of the bar bracket. And in the next virtual classes, we will study everything about all these single spindle automatic lathes. Single spindle automatic lathes that are used for general purpose are widely used for mass production of high quality fasteners like bolts, screws, studs, mass production of bushings, pins, shafts, rollers, and mass production of similar small metallic parts that are made from long bars or tubes of regular sections. Here you can see different components that are machined on single spindle automatic lathes. You can see the size of these components is very small. That means the components that are manufactured on automatic lathes are mainly of smaller size. Also you can notice here the components are generally of long bars or tubes made of regular sections. However, in the chucking type of automatic lathes, we can also machine the irregular sections. Being as we are concerned with mass production, so generally we use bar type single spindle automatic lathes. As we have seen that single spindle automatic lathes are having one spindle and these lathes run fully automatically. That means the bar feeding, tool indexing, unloading of finished part is performed automatically with no intervention of human. And these processes can be done continuously over a long duration, repeating the same machining cycle for each product. So due to this, these lathes are preferably used for large volume of production. That means these are used for large load production and mass production. Single spindle automatic lathes are used always for producing job of rod type, tubular type, or of relatively smaller size. The single spindle automatic lathe that we are going to study are provided with number of tool slides which are moved by cams mounted on a cam shaft. That means these lathes are equipped with fixed automation system. We are using control system of mechanical type, that is made of camshaft, cams, levers, mechanical stocks, etc. Single spindle automatic lathes are of relatively smaller size and power but are having higher spindle speeds. As you can remind the picture that we have seen few minutes ago, the single spindle automatic lathe shown there is of smaller size, but these lathes are having higher spindle speed range. And there are lot of variety of these single spindle automatic lathes, and following types of single spindle automatic lathes are commonly used. First one is automatic cutting of lathe, second is Swiss type automatic lathe, third is automatic screw lathe or automatic screw cutting lathe. These are of automatic turret type lathe. All these three automatic lathes are of single spindle type, and we will study all about these lathes one by one in next virtual classes. You can find the link of this virtual class in the description box.